Hey, just wanted to show you something here. I just removed and cleaned out this carburetor, disassembled it, and in the process of putting this back on. But first, I was checking the fuel flow, and it is minimal at best. So when you turn on the cutoff right here, or you open it up, it's barely a trickle of fuel that's coming out of there. I mean, it's not even flowing hardly. That's not much. So I don't really see that giving the motor enough fuel to flow during normal operation. So what I'm doing here is going to be removing the gas tank and cleaning it out, making sure there's no debris that is clogging up that orifice right there. Even if when I take it off from here, you'll see, and that right there is getting loose too. That's that plug is loosening up, and it's about to pop off. Well, once I get this tank off and remove it, I'm going to see how the fuel is getting blocked. Something's blocking the fuel flow. So I'm about to take this tank off.